Have you scrolled through social media and seen viral ads promising to restore your vision naturally and cure devastating eye diseases? But how much of this is medical reality and how much is just dangerous marketing fiction? Can a single natural protocol really cure entirely different, structurally distinct diseases like diabetic retinopathy, macular regeneration, glaucoma, and retinitis pigmentosa? When high blood sugar acts like shards of glass inside the delicate microvascular structure of your retina, can an herbal drop truly unleak a permanently damaged blood vessel? What about macular degeneration? Can a simple supplement regenerate dead light sensing photoreceptor cells? And if retinitis pigmentosa is a genetic disease that breaks down your retina, how could any natural tropical treatment possibly rewrite your DNA to bring dead cells back to life? So, what are these alternative clinics actually selling when they promise 90% improvement in just 3 months? Are they measuring your success with objective medical proof like microscopic OCT scans that physically show your retina healing? Or are they just relying on powerful placebo effect and subjective surveys like asking your eyes feel less tired? Could be temporarily tinkling from a microcurrent therapy actually reverse optic nerve death caused by glaucoma, or is just reducing surface eye strain while the real disease silently progresses? While why are these miracle cures are so incredibly harmful? To delay evidence-based treatments like life-saving anti-VEGF injections or wet AMD to try 3 month natural cure, could you lose narrow window to save your sight forever? Want to know exactly how to spot medical pseudoscience and protect your most precious sense from exploitative false hope? Where can you find the hard biological facts and true answers to safeguarding your vision? Complete breakdown and red flags to watch out for. Visit cloudtechbull.com.